Once you enter to the user accounts, and you should complete the practice test. For that you need to see the what are the setups you can done for the requirements. To enable your browser to record, you need to share access to your entire screen and microphone, and you should make sure everything should be shared properly. After clicking, you can go for the share access. While sharing, you should make sure that your private web browser should be hidden, and you should share only what you are uh, wishes to share, and you should share your, if it is not getting properly, you can make sure it is sharing. And after completing your sharing your browser or via Windows, you can go for the click next button. After clicking next button, you will see the set of instructions should be done, like microphone check, and you should say I am ready to think out loud in a loud voice and properly. After doing that, you can go for the clicking by next, and here it shows the set of instruction. You will need two browser tabs to take test. One is for instruction and other is for experience you give feedback on. You should make sure that two tabs should be open. One is for taking a test and another one for instruction, and you are going to give the feedback on the on the website. If you have any doubts, you can watch out that animation. You can come to know that how it will happen. Before starting your exam or test, you should make sure this setups. 1. Speak your thoughts out loud as you do each task. Find a quiet place to take the test. Minimize your applications or browser tabs that you want to keep it private. After that instruction is done, you can start the test. First, you need to see that scenario. For this practice test, you will search for an article on user testing contributor support center website and provide the feedback on experience. We want to see how well you speak your thoughts and feelings out loud, and how well you follow the test instructions. And you can open the test page by clicking on it. After you see the page, you need to review or give a feedback on the website. After, you need to click for next. Here comes task 1. On the contributor code of conduct page, review out loud the important points to keep in mind. Name on Name one important point that you remember from the article. Tell us why this stood out to you. Here is the information given to do the review on the website, and we can see the contributor code of conduct, and you should read out that we strongly encourage you to review the details of each policy carefully. If we determine that you are in violation of this agreement, we reserve the right of remove your account. You should read out loudly that point. After that, you read all the points which are given in the below in the properly and with good communication. After reading that, you will see the next task. And task 2. Now you go to protect your privacy while testing. And task 2. Now you go to protect your privacy while testing page and read out the load the section about the information you should never share. Was the information clear, or explain why or why not? We want to review honest feedback so we can get a better. We need to give a feedback on we need to give the feedback on this website, like a set of information should be never share. And while scrolling back, we can see these are information should never share. Also, this is up to you what your personal information you decide to share while testing. You should never share prohibited personal information. Prohibited personal information are credit card number, driving license number, car loan number, personal information account, personal financial account numbers, passport number, account passwords, and social security numbers. Specific genetic information, example genetic test results, biometric identifier used for identification purpose, fingerprints, voice prints, iris or retina scans, health plans account or benefit numbers. And you should read every details which I have given in there, and you should make sure that everything which I have highlighted with the bold you should read out loud. After that your task 3 will be displayed according to the article you just found. Which of the following information is never safe to share? Email address, no. Phone number, no. Financial account number, yes. And home address, no. You should select financial account number. After selecting, you click on next button. After clicking, task number 4 will be displayed. Once you find the closest shop, say the name out loud and tell what has made made it too easy or hard to find what you were looking for. And you should say that what are the instructions are given or scenario is given. You should do according to it.